How to remove debit or credit card on TEMU. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. First and foremost, open a browser and search for temu.com on your URL address. You'll be redirected to the official webpage of TEMU. Make sure to log in to your TEMU account by tapping on the user icon at the top. Now from here, you have to click on this Orders and Account. Then in your left hand side, you will find some of the options. Scroll down, tap on Your Payment Method. When you tap on it, you will find all of your debit or credit card that you have added on it. To remove, you will find a three-dot icon next to it or a dustbin icon. You just have to go ahead and tap on the dustbin icon or the three-dot icon to get the delete option. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to remove the debit or credit card on TEMU. If you have any of the problem regarding the deletion of the credit or debit card, tap on the message icon and chat with the bot or a live agent. You can also tap on the chat icon at the very top and head to the support center. When you tap on support center, you will be redirected to its next tab where you can find articles and even search for your problem. And that is how you can also solve your issue. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.